Reality capture happens, but without a unified point cloud, data stays fragmented. The result? Teams can't see the full picture. Design intent is lost, and projects suffer costly setbacks. Lens360 solves this by creating a digital twin of your job site, a true-to-reality model, accessible anytime, anywhere. Start by capturing your job site with multiple methods: drones, 360-degree cameras, laser scanners, and even autonomous robots. All your captures are uploaded to Lens360's secure cloud platform, where data is automatically processed and aligned. Lens360 generates a digital twin with precise measurements. Your site is always accurate, up to date, and ready for decisions. Lens360, turning site reality into digital twins that power smarter construction.